Hi, this is from Source University. This is a job opening for the technology Power BI developer for the company Skywalk Global. The location is Kerala, that's Thiruvananthapuram. The required skills are mandatory to have experience with BI tools and systems such as Power BI, Tableau, and SAP, and must have 5+ years of experience in Power BI development, knowledge in Microsoft BI stack, grip over data analysis, should process the software development skills. The second technology is lead Power BI consultant for the NICE Software Solution Private Limited. The location is Pune, Maharashtra. The responsibilities are understand business requirements in BI concept and design data models to transform raw data into meaningful insights. And the education required is bachelor's degree in computer science, business and administration or related field, or minimum 5 years of experience in visual reporting development, including hands-on development of analysis dashboards and working with the complex data sets. Minimum 5 years of Power BI development experience is needed. The third technology is senior Power BI developer for the company ANI calls India Private Limited. The location is Mumbai, Maharashtra. The education required is bachelor's degree with the experience of 5 to 10 years. The fourth technology is Power BI. The company name is RipplesIndia Group. The location is India. They are in need of must have experience, 2+ years of experience in data specific roles, knowledge in Microsoft BI stack, grip over the data analysis. And the fifth technology is Microsoft BI developer for the Bloom Consulting Services. The location is India. The experience need is 5 to 6 years. And the skills must be in a role, you should have a background in data business analysis. You should be analytical and excellent communicator. If also a business acumen and problem solving aptitude is required. The links will be given in the video description for these jobs, so you can apply that directly. Please subscribe to the Source University channel for the more job details. Thank you.